Okay. Check. Thank you. Okay, here's a short tutorial. First I do the steps and after over the counts. Okay, we started with the weight on the left. You make a chassé to the right. Here we go. 7, 8. Chassé side. Weave behind side cross. You step back with a quarter side and half rumba box. 7, 8. Behind side rumba box. Now we do the same with the left. 7, 8. Chassé side. Weave behind side cross. Back side behind side forward. Okay, now we get hip bump syncopated. Hip, hip, hip. Chassé to the left. Then get point, point on the right. Point, point, say the quarter turn. Point, point, coaster, step. Heel strut, 7, 8. Heel strut, heel strut. And you get heel switches, heel together, heel replace. And you start over it again. Now we do the dance over the count very slowly. 7, 8. With a chassé to the right. 7, 8. 1 and 2. Weave behind side cross. Yes, 7, 8. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. You get 5, quarter, 6, 7 and 8. One more time with the left, 7, 8. Next section, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. You get 5, quarter, 7 and 8. Hip bump, 7, 8. 1 and 2, chassé, 3 and 4. You get point, 5, 6, sailor, 7 and 8. Point, 1, 2, 3 and 4. You get 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. And you start over again. 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, quarter, 6, 7 and 8. Next section. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Quarter, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Next section. Hip bumps 1 and 2, chassé 3 and 4. You get 5, 6, sailor 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. You get 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Little bit faster. 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, quarter, 6, 7 and 8. Next section. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Quarter, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Point 1. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Point 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. You get 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. One more time. 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, quarter, 6, 7 and 8. Next section. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, quarter, 6, 7 and 8. Hip bumps 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Point 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. You get 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 ends. I have also a tag in this dance. The tag will be in wall 3 after 20 counts. After, start again, facing 6 o'clock. Hope you will like it. Have fun. Bye bye.